YouTube barbecue channels mail call. That's right. I'm going to show you these 5 channels real quick, go through a couple of them, and I'll bring out my sticker board and we're going to put their stickers on my board. That's right. Be right back with you. Be as quick as I can. Alright, there's 5 channels and they're all have to do with barbecue. All but one has the word barbecue in their names. Alright, Champ BBQ out of New York. One really cool thing about his videos, his channel, he does an impressive job. He impresses me the way he does his videos. I really like his video. He's going to go far in life on this. Let's go this. Alright, I'm not trying to embarrass him. But 3 years ago, man, he checked all this out. And he did a little bit of cooking and vlogging and stuff like that. And yeah, like I said, he did little cooks. And then the cool part is, I was looking at some of these last night because I wanted to see his build. His little hut that he's in. And down in here, you'll find it. Oh, it's still past that. Pretty cool what he did. The place he built.
We're cooking up a pork butt on the Weber 26. Oh, hell yeah, and we got a new product. Ho, ho, ho. Uncle Steve, yeah, he created a new rub, a sweet heat, a sweet and spicy yard. Oh, hell yeah. So that's going on this pork butt. We're also going to use some Uncle Steve's thick meat as well.
So anyway, look at, there's a setup in the background. You can go over there and look back at his videos and you can see what he used to have and how he built this up. It's really cool. Alright, let's move on to the next one. That does look good. What's up, Uncle Steve? Alright, the next mail call for today is behind the Garage BBQ. He's up in Rhode Island. That's like being in Canada, I think. Alright, let's check out some of his videos here. He's got some going on there. Let's see, what we want to go look at. We'll just start off with There it is. That's what I was looking for.
Welcome to Behind Garage BBQ. Today we're going to make up some hot wieners. What's a hot wiener? It's a thin style hot dog. Definitely not a hot dog, so don't you call it a hot dog.
Yeah,
it's made out of pork, veal, and beef with spices. The wiener itself has a meat sauce, mustard, onions, and finish off with some celery salt. We'll take you through the whole process.
Alright, y'all, I'm going to leave all 5 of these cooking channels, barbecuing, down below. If I was you, I'd go over and check them each out. Next one we have is Daddy Dutch BBQ. You know him as Kent over on in the hot seat over on CJ's channel on Thursdays. If you don't, you need to go check that out. It's a really good one. And anyway, Kent lives in Iowa. And we're going to take a little looky here. Got some Uncle Steve shit going on right there. He's got his cooks. Here's his Daddy Dutch BBQ trailer. I want to show it because of the trailer. Anyway, you get the gist on that. He competes. Next one's my buddies over in California. That's right, the Cooking Cop and Babe, Josh and Babe. That would be Babe. Yeah. Hit this one real quick. Going on over there, man. Got the video there. That's it out there in California. You want to check them out? Last one I got is Easy Bake BBQ, and he just squeezed in because I just got his mail and added it to the end of this. He is out of Kentucky, over there in Kentucky. He's a big Uncle Steve shake. He's like me and Uncle Steve. We've got shake in our vehicles. I've got them in there because I give them away and I use them. And Maddie's usually looking for it, wanting to take it in places with us. He's got that, I think he got the 700 subscriber giveaway postponed till 8/31. That would be August 31st. You still got time to go over there and subscribe to his channel and be a part of that. Everybody likes giveaways. Yeah. Oh, there's the Gator Shake. Look, everybody's got Gator Shake, man.
I've got the top vents that far open. In today's cook, we're going to be doing Uncle Steve's Gator Shake burgers. And then right now I'm also doing some Uncle Steve's Gator Shake grilled onions.
Yummy.
To start off with, Uncle Steve's Gator Shake burgers on the grill grates.
Alright, here's my placement stickers, our new ones. Hey, our new ones. Daddy Dutch BBQ, Beer Champ BBQ, Behind the Garage BBQ, Easy Bake BBQ, and the Cooking Coppin' Babe. Look at that cartoon. Alright. And we got a few others on this board. Of course, this is board number 3. We got 3 boards. And also, if you send me a sticker, which all these guys listened to me, they did. They sent me 2, at least. So Maddie can have one too. She's got boards. As I told you, I'm going to leave a link in the description box for each one of these channels. There's other information down there too. You might want to go down there and read it. Anyway, my P.O. box is down there. And you're welcome to send me 2 stickers, hopefully. One for me, one for Maddie. We're going to add you to the board. This is board number 3 for me, and she's on her going second board, I believe. I think so. That's what we have for you. Y'all have a safe rest of the week. We'll see you Sunday. See ya.